What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here's the sharp adapter. Yeah, this is 5 volt to 2 amps, okay, universal 100 to 40 watt 2 amps adapter. This is the sharp DVE switching adapter. This one you can use with your iPhone, iPad, or for Nintendo Switch. Nintendo Switch, no, you can't use, the power is not enough for this one, but mostly you can use to charge your camera or everything else. I mean, the build quality is really the best. The build quality is the reason why which I bought it. So yeah, it was me, Geek. Subscribe and buy. Also let me know which is your favorite cheap adapter for me. This seems quite good. Again, it was me, Geek.
Allah fahab li